Ayurvedic Kundali. You think that what do you mean by Ayurvedic Kundali? Ayurvedic Kundali is nothing but your Vata, Pitta, and Kapha that indicate to you which type of the food you have to be consumed, which type of the food is not to be consumed, in which type of the season, how to behave. Like all these things are there that are mentioned in case of this one Ayurvedic Kundali that is related to your body. Ayurveda largely uses the plants as a raw material for the manufacturing of the drugs through the different type of the sources. Ayurvedic plant, or we can say that Ayurvedic drugs are there. These drugs are there that are to be prepared from the different type of the sources, such as the animal source is there, then marine source is there, or mineral source are there, metals are there. Are these are the different sources are there from which the Ayurvedic drugs are there that are to be prepared. Ayurvedic medicines are there that are generally the same, but it is not like that. Though it's a 99% sure that Ayurvedic medicines are there that are a safe one. But if you have to take this one medicine without consultation with your physician, it may worse wrongly also. So take care regarding this one. The Ayurvedic medicines are there that are safe, which have less or no therapeutic adverse effect. This meaning is there in that sense when allopathy medicine have to be consumed for any disease, it shows some of the drawbacks or the side effects. But what are the Ayurvedic medicines? In the therapeutic dose, if it is consumed, it shows less or no side effect as well as adverse effect if you have to consume in the therapeutic dose and a given time duration in this one considerations. No adverse effect is there if the manufactured properly and the consumed judiciously. Means what is the method which have to be mentioned as per that one mention. You have to take this one medicine. These are safe. They are not having any side effects. Uh, and following the necessary do and don't do. Likewise, Ayurveda is proved to be effective in the treatment of the chronic metabolic and like chronic diseases are there, metabolic diseases are there, then lifestyle diseases are there for which satisfactory solution is there is not available in the conventional medicines. Means what are the diseases are there that is not to be cured by allopathy or any type of the treatment, then in this case the Ayurveda plays an important role in the treatment of such diseases. Over the years, the Shar Sutra and Panchakarma are there that are to be utilized. The therapy of this one Panchakarma is of Ayurveda. Means if you want to take the Ayurvedic treatment before giving you Ayurvedic treatment, the physician suggests you take the Panchakarma. Panchakarma means the cleaning of your body is there through the different type of the cavities which are present in your body. These are very popular among this one publics. The Panchakarma is a unique therapeutic procedure for the radical eliminations of the disease causing factors. Means there are the different type of the cavities are there which are present in your body. Through that one, the chemicals are there or the Ayurvedic drugs are there that are injected. They drugs show their action on this one cavity and there is a removal of the disease along with the fluid is carried out, that is the equilibrium to the humors is there that is occurs. Then Panchakarma, there is a 5 detoxification process are there that are occur. Panchakarma therapy is the very well known is there that is used to treat the disease according to the Ayurveda. First one is there that is a vamana, that is a medicated immunity. Means omitting is there that should be occur. That is in Ayurveda is known as a vamana. Means to remove the content which are present in the GID through the oral cavity that is known as a vamana. Second one is there that is a virechan, that is a medicated purgations are there, that is a virechan means just you have to take some of the medicines and then and that contents are there that should be removed through the rectal route, that is a virechan is the one. Then basti. that is a medicated enema, that is to be chemicals or the solutions are there that are to be ingested through the rectal cavity, so that the cleaning of your rectum cavity is there, it should be carried out, so that what is the disease causing agent which are to be present in your rectum that are to be removed, that is a bussy. Next one is there, that is a nausea, means medication through the root of the nose. If there is a headache is there or some of the diseases are there, migraines are there, in that case this one nausea therapy is there that is given. So when these drugs are there that are to be inserted into through the nasal cavity, the continuous removal of the secretions are there that should be carried out, or these drugs are there that are to be get enter into your body through the nasal route, they show their effect. Last one is there, that is a rakta motion, that is a blood letting, means at that in this one particular condition, the toxic blood that is to be removed from that one particular area through your blood vessels. Suppose there is a headache, there are migraines are there that are present, so that the veins which go provide blood to the your brain, from this one the detoxic blood is there that should be removed. Or sometimes if there is a pain in the legs is there, so that in that case the blood, toxic blood through that one particular vein is there, it should be removed, that is a rakta motion is there that should be carried out, and then the patient get relief. That is, these are the 5 detoxification process are there, that is a panchakarma therapies are there. The panchakarma therapy minimizes the chances of the reoccurrence of disease and promote a positivity health regenerating body tissues as biopurifications are there that are to be carried out. Now, Ayurveda is there that should be completed here. I hope all of you understand this one properly. Thank you.